Hello guys, welcome to Lee Hub and welcome to another episode of my video. It's been a while I dropped a video. That was because I had an issue with my account, but I'm back now. Today I have a very delicate information for you about Cardano. It is said that Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow chain makers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global changes. Cardano is also expected to explode in 2022. That is to say, Cardano has a future in 2022 and it increases in value in the years ahead. One of the main reasons behind that is that it has finally implemented smart contract. Now the crypto is basically waiting around for some big corporations to jump on the Cardano platform ecosystem. And when that happens, Cardano coin ADA could see a massive price increase. It was predicted by experts that Cardano may experience a push upward before the end of 2022, and if it continues into 2023, Cardano price could skyrocket to $7 per ADA token. That is to say, Cardano has a future. Let us go to the coin market cap of this particular coin, Cardano, and let us see how this coin is moving. We can see the market cap of this coin in particular is 699,044,596, and the fully diluted market cap of this coin is 931,988,628. You can see the volume of this particular coin in the last 24 hours is 87,003,725, and the circulating supply of this coin in particular is 33.75 billion, and the maximum supply of this coin in the last 24 hours is 45 billion. That is to tell you, despite the fact that the price of Cardano is low, people are still rushing this particular coin. This coin in particular has a future. This coin in particular has something big to show on the coin market. We can see the total supply of this coin despite the low price and despite the low value of this coin in the coin market. The total supply of this coin is 34.51 billion and it is ranked number 6 on the table, and the all-time high of this coin is 0.000980, and all-time low of this coin is 0.000055, and the market dominance of this coin is 1.69%. You should know the fact that the price of this particular coin, Cardano, is less and it doesn't weigh much in the coin market doesn't mean it doesn't have a future. You can see the latest news about Cardano. Cardano climbed 29% in a day, becomes the second biggest gainer among top 4. That is the last 1 hour. You can see Cardano jumped 29% as Bitcoin, Ethereum recovers. You can see Cardano price skyrocket 30% on this. You can see this headline is in the last 2 hours. And you can see ADA surges 26% with hotly anticipated Vasil hard fork less than a month. That is to tell you this coin in particular has something to give. Before the end of 2022, this coin will make a big name in the coin market. We can see on the comment section, we see ADA funny. A few days ago, a lot of people were calling ADA a scam, Ponzi scam. Now everyone's saying ADA is $100. Can you see how funny this really sounds? And you can see in the live 5 hour, one of the comments here is ADA will pass XRP. This Cardano in particular has a future. It has something to give and it has a name to make in the coin market. And we can see I will be waiting until $50 or else I sell nothing. That is to say, this particular coin has something to give on the coin market. So if you're looking forward to buying a particular coin in the year 2022/2023, I suggest strongly you go for this particular coin. Despite the coin market dip in the market right now, doesn't mean ADA won't make a name, and doesn't mean ADA won't redeem itself from this poor valuation in price. So you can see the percentage of this particular coin in the last 24 hours is 22.39%. That is to say, this coin is gradually increasing, and before the end of 2022, this coin will make a very big name for itself. That'll be all for now.